Hello, it's Pam, and welcome to another Why Is It So Easy video in my series of Why Is It So Easy. In today's video, we are going to be looking at safety. And safety is at the core of everything that we're not releasing, resolving, dissolving. So I think this is a really important one. So remember, we're tapping to release any of the resistance to the feeling of being safety. So as we say the statements, there could be an aspect or a part of self that doesn't feel safe. So when we're tapping, we're releasing that resistance. Now, if you have no resistance, of course you can just listen to the videos, especially at night. Very powerful if you're listening to them before you go to sleep. Also, I would like to say firstly that this is not for people that are in an unsafe environment or in an unsafe situation. So if you're in an unsafe environment or situation, you need to look at getting yourself some support and some help, and there's so many ways out there that you can do that. I also want to explain the importance of all aspects of self feeling safe. For many people, we hold on to the past, to certain traumas, to unresolved emotions, because we never want to experience that again. And this is a safety mechanism, often created a long time ago. And that being said, it has worked for many years, but it's now outdated. And it's just time for an upgrade. If we can use these empowering statements to have all of the aspects agreeing that it's time for an upgrade, it's time to shift things, that it's time to move on and heal, you can accelerate your healing by having all aspects in alignment. And in this video, we're going to specifically address the feeling of safety. You can listen to this as often as you like, whatever is needed, whatever you feels right for you. And remember, we're tapping out any resistance that comes up, any aspect, part of you that believes that it's not true. And we also need to identify that the resistance is coming from a place of love. Quite often it's misunderstood and it's called self-sabotage, for instance. But it is a part or an aspect of you that is trying to protect you. So we're not judging or forcing the aspect to go, we're just updating it. Excellent. So let's get started. Why is it so easy for me to feel safe? Why is it so easy for me to understand that I am safe? Why is it so easy for me to increase my sense of safety? Why is it so easy for me to be in the present moment where I am and I am safe? That means right here, right now, on this chair, I am safe. Why is it so easy to believe I am safe? Why is it so easy to know that I am safe? Why is it so easy to feel that I am safe? Why is it so easy to know I am safe, I am secure, and my future is secure? Why is it so easy to understand I'm doing the very best I can at any given moment? Why is it so easy for me to reassure myself that I am safe? Why is it so easy to encourage myself when I feel that I am not safe? Why is it so easy to love myself even though I don't feel safe? Why is it so easy for me to be patient with myself? Why is it so easy for me to tell myself I am safe? Why is it so easy for me to believe things can be different? Why is it so easy for me to know I am powerful and a resourceful person now? Why is it so easy for me to understand I am a different person now and I can behave differently? Why is it so easy for me to know that I can protect myself now? Why is it so easy to gain that feeling and sense of safety and feeling it expand in my body? Why is it so easy for me to update that old safety mechanism inside of me? Why is it so easy to acknowledge the fear and move on? Why is it so easy for me to reinforce my decision to move forward? Why is it so easy for me to be there for me as I step out of my comfort zone? Why is it so easy for me to learn new ways to be there for me? Why is it so easy to make new decisions? Why is it so easy for me to behave in different ways? Why is it so easy for me to trust in my choices, knowing I am safe? Why is it so easy to know that I can change my decision at any time? Why is it so easy for me to feel safe? Why is it so easy for me to understand I am safe? Why is it so easy for me to increase my sense of safety? Why is it so easy for me to be in the present moment, right where I am, and know that I am safe? Why is it so easy for me to gain a stronger sense of safety? Why is it so easy for me to build that sense of safety? Why is it so easy for me to know that I can keep myself safe? Why is it so easy for me to reassure myself of my safety? Why is it so easy for me to feel safe? Why is it so easy to understand I am safe? In the present moment, I am safe. Why is it so easy for me to understand that I will not put myself in an unsafe environment? Why is it so easy for me to trust that I can keep myself safe? Why is it so easy to feel safe? Why is it so easy for me to feel that sense of safety? Why is it so easy for me to create a sense of safety within me, knowing no matter what happens, I've got this? Why is it so easy for me to know that I am safe? Good job. Okay, grab the wrist. Just nice, big, deep breath. Letting all them statements just keep resonating in your body. Knowing this can accelerate your healing. It can accelerate a sense of well-being. If we know that no matter what happens, that we can handle it, we have all the resources we need to deal with whatever happens, that reinforces that sense of safety. It's not like nothing's going to happen. It's just knowing that no matter what happens, that I will be there for me. Awesome. If you liked the video, give it a like. Please write a comment. I love reading all the comments and responding. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. It helps the algorithms in the back. It helps people to find these videos. And please, if you know that of someone that can benefit from this video, please share it with them. Thank you. Keep tapping.